The U.S.-China trade war will not derail the rise of China's middle-class consumers, who are estimated to double to 600 million in the next 10 to 15 years and will power a long-term upgrading of consumption spending, said Alibaba Group Executive Vice Chairman Joe Tsai. China has developed consistently over the last 20 years, Tsai said in a response to a question at a briefing in Shanghai for Alibaba's Singles' Day shopping festival. China's GDP per capita was about $800 per person back in 1999 when I joined the company, and has risen to about $9,000 per person today, an average across 1.3 billion people. Is it going to $20,000, $30,000 in the future? Absolutely, it's happening. Alibaba's 24-hour shopping frenzy beats 2017's $24 billion record. Alibaba's 24-hour Singles' Day, also known as Double 11, event has expanded from online shopping in earlier years to also encompass offline merchants in what it terms new retail. The Hangzhou-based company surpassed last year's sales tally after 16 hours, with consumers spending a total of 193.5 billion yuan, $27.9 billion, as of 9:27 p.m. A trade war with the U.S. has seen billions of dollars of tariffs slapped on goods, which has exacerbated a slowdown in China's economy. Analysts expect the trade standoff with the U.S. to likely hit manufacturing numbers at the start of next year. A strong showing for Singles' Day could help assuage concerns that consumer confidence has taken a big hit. Wage growth has been growing at double digits in the last 10 years, with a consistent high savings rate, which provides a sound basis for consumption, he said. The urban Chinese consumer today is very curious about new products, trying new things, and very interested about imported products. All of this will drive a long-term trend of an upgrading in consumption by the Chinese consumer, he said. The trade war is accelerating the shift of the Chinese economy from an export-led economy to one that is driven by consumption, he said. Consumption as a percentage of GDP will grow higher and higher, and Alibaba remains very bullish on long-term prospects of Chinese consumption, he said. Tsai also said that many financial markets see Alibaba's stock as a proxy for China, with the company's stock price reflecting investors' sentiment on China. But a lot of the investors get it wrong. China is not as bad as people think, Tsai said. Alibaba has some unique aspects. We're really riding the secular trend of the rising middle class in China. He added that Alibaba is uniquely positioned in tech and the know-how to help digitize the economy, by helping enterprises digitize their operations so they can serve consumers better. These are some aspects of our business that people should understand better, he said. Alibaba is the owner of the South China Morning Post.